Hey everyone, so this is my own personal car. This is an '08 Lexus ES350, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about it. It's a really well maintained car, especially for the mileage. If you've seen my previous video, this car has over 200,000 miles, and the owner actually was a big highway driver, and he drove it back to work on the highway all the time. So, less stress on the engine, and he took really good care of it. He actually left the I know you can't see it right now, but he left the Lexus paper floor mats underneath the actual floor mats from the dealer, and it came with everything. Came with all the documentation. And I don't know, it almost felt like I'm buying like a new car. Like, it's in really good condition. I'm probably gonna have clips of the interior and exterior included in this video, even though I already have previous videos of that. But yeah, the car overall is just nice, man. It's just a nice cruiser. It's not sporty, at all, to be honest. I'm gonna go on the highway here soon, and you'll see that actually, like, it has a surprising amount of torque on the engine. It's just really, really linear power band, and the only downfall of this car really is the transmission. It's not the greatest. I don't know if it's because my car is high mileage or it has issues, but I don't know. It shifts extremely slow, and sometimes it feels like it's not even in gear. It's in neutral. It just rev up and not accelerate. It's really strange. I had a check engine that shows something with the transmission. I forgot what it was exactly, but that was months ago, and till this day it still has never came back on since I reset it. So I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if you guys can see, but the tire pressure monitor light's on, and that is something that I need to fix. I think the sensor's broken. The tires aren't actually low. But yeah, overall, it's been a really reliable car, and it just gets me going. And I drive pretty conservatively, but this car gets good at MPG too. I'm averaging 23. When I used to commute to work, I was getting about 25, mostly highway driving. And yeah, if you're light on the pedal, it's really economical for being an NAV6. You just get the smoothness and refinement of just having a big, a relatively big displacement engine compared to new cars, which are mostly running four cylinders. Most of those cars are 4 cylinders. Yeah, just taking a trip right now. Gonna go to the park. I'll include some clips of that at the end. I was kind of thinking to make this channel dual purpose, like, have the cars and have like the nature, because those are like the two things I'm really into. And that would be a dream if that was actually came into fruition, and we actually grew the channel like huge, and I could make this a career. That would be insane. That would be insane. Here are some chickadees. Almost. There you go. car is like actually pretty fast for what it is, to be honest. Like you wouldn't expect an ES350 to be that fast. Like this thing actually, it's like all you need for daily driving, to be honest. That's my radar. Sorry, it's kind of annoying. There is a cop around here though. Yeah, if you didn't notice, I'm trying out a different angle. Let's actually adjust that a little bit. Seeing if this is better. This is probably better. The other angle was not the greatest. Just kind of down low and in front. I honestly think that the best thing would be to have a GoPro mounted on your hat, on your on your cap. But I don't know. I need to get a GoPro. I need to get all of that. And, I'm just trying this out right now. And iPhone 13 I just got. I mean, it runs pretty good. I mean, it got good quality. Funny story. I sold my old phone, my iPhone XS, on eBay, and Apple told me it wasn't going to work anymore. Like it would need a new logic or something, so they sold me a new phone and I bought it. And it's something I bought it actually got it to work. Very surprised about. So I guess I was lied to, but anyways, that's off topic. The car is really quiet on the highway. Really smooth powertrain. It's not like these turbo 4-cylinders. Those things just aren't the best. This thing is just, man. I like big engines. Hopefully my next car is a Lexus ISF. That would be super sweet. Get that 5.0 V8. That awesome sound. It's what I wanted just for the sound. That's like the main reason I even consider that car, is because of the sound. I just love good engine sound. But yeah, I'm gonna include those clips, if I haven't already, of the park. It's a really special park. If you want to know what it is, just ask in the comments. But it's really unique. Wild birds will just come up to you and eat. And most of the animals there, the deer, the large birds, every animal there is just pretty friendly and not scared of people because they've been fed and they're around people all the time. But yeah, I don't think there's any park like that in Michigan. It's probably very rare, like in the country or in the world. I mean, for animals just to be that friendly, it's almost like a cartoon or something. But back to the car. You can pick one of these up super cheap. I mean, this is probably like the cheapest Lexus you can get into. I can almost guarantee it is. ES350, super common on the Camry platform, a front-wheel drive car. It's about 260 horsepower, weighs about 3,500 pounds. Comes with, auto cruise, dual climate control. You get a classic wood steering wheel. You get auto tilting mirrors when you reverse. Standard stuff for this time. Not super loaded, but not a basic car at all. You get heated and cooled seats, which I was really surprised about. This car having cooled seats. My old uncle had he had an old Lexus ES350, and that thing came with adjustable brake pedals, which I think is pretty rare, but apparently a lot of cars have that. idea what that turtle is. That was a huge. I gotta look that up. I don't know if it's a snapping turtle or a wood turtle. That was insane. And actually, I saw them on camera. They were just breeding. Like that turtle was just sitting there that entire time, and it was on top of a female. You know, spring's starting up here. You know, they're doing their thing. Even the birds are starting to nest. All of that. Trees haven't got their leaves though. It's early spring here in Michigan. Yeah, you just cruise on this thing 80. The suspension is super comfortable, like more comfortable than most cars I've been in. The suspension is super compliant, super soft. The car handles pretty decently for a front-wheel drive car. You can take some decently fast turns in this car and be fine. Body roll's not too bad. It's a nice little cruiser if you just want a luxury and not really a sport. You know, if you just want to chill, this is the car to do it. It's probably the best car to do it just because of the reliability of it. I mean, if you talk about a car under 10 grand, you get a high mileage one of these under 10 grand for like an 07 through 2012. This car will just work fine, be fine every single day. Here's a downy woodpecker coming out to take some food. Pretty cool. Here are some. I forgot the name of these. I forgot what your name is, little guy. Yeah, looks like he's not coming. Oh, what is this? Here's a nuthatch. Kind of look like woodpeckers. Kind of act like woodpeckers. Just cruise along the tree. He does not want any part of it. These guys are pretty apprehensive.